Hey guys, it's Sweetpely. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. And today I'm sharing with you guys how to use MSM and Clove for scalp treatment and hair growth. During my research, I found amazing ingredients for scalp treatment. So if you're interested in this video, then stick and stay with me and let's dive right into it. In a bowl, I have about 2 tablespoons of clove. I added some filtered water. You can use distilled water. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and cover the bowl and then let it sit overnight. You can let it sit for hours, like 6 hours, 3 hours, and you're going to get this brown coffee color. Yeah. So at this stage, I'll go ahead and strain it. Okay, so now I'll add 1 teaspoon of MSM, aka Meton sulfonamate, and thus MSM has a lot of benefits. It can be found in many of the foods that we eat, like green vegetables, onions, and garlic. And it's also a compound found in the human body within the medical community. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add 5 drops lavender oil, 5 drops tea tree oil. Both essential oils are very effective. It helps treat dandruff, it helps promote hair growth, it also helps soothe dry scalp and flakiness. Voila! Now my scalp treatment is ready. So I transferred everything into my spray bottle. Normally, this is going to last me for a week. I use this as my normal spray water. Whenever my hair is dry, this is what I use. I can dilute it with more water if I want. Then I just do, I spray it on my hair and then I apply my leave-in conditioner as well. So I'm going to preserve this in the refrigerator. Then I'll use it some other time. Yeah. So now that my treatment is ready, I'm going to start this on a clean hair. I normally do this on a clean hair. I shampoo, condition the hair before using the treatments. And when you do that, it's going to help the treatment to penetrate to the scalp very well because you don't have any build-ups. Yeah. So spray the scalp, spray the ends of the hair, and then massage the scalp with your fingertips as I'm doing in the video. Massage, and please do this in sections. Yeah. Take a bit of section, spray the scalp and the ends of the hair, massage, and then after that, just twist that section. And also, after using the treatment, you can go ahead and apply your leave-in conditioner and then your moisturizer and then your seal-in oil as well. Don't just use this treatment and then you are done. No, I don't do that. Yeah. So if you're going to try this treatment for your toddler or for yourself, bear in mind that when you spray the treatment on your scalp, you're going to feel this burning sensation. I mean, it's a bit harsh. Some people are very sensitive. So when you experience this, just dilute the treatment with more water and you are good to go. Please, if you are new to my channel and you like what you are seeing, I do DIY, I do simple hairstyle for toddlers. Sometimes I do blog, sometimes I cook as well. I have a food channel also. So kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment if you are going to try this treatment, and also you can dislike it if you don't like what you are seeing. It's all part of YouTube journey. So, as I said earlier on, after applying the treatment to the hair and the scalp, don't forget to apply some leave-in conditioner followed by your moisturizer, as well as to seal in moisture with your favorite butter or oil. Don't just leave the hair like that. It's really important to seal in moisture. So if you're able to watch this video till this very end, thank you so much. This is where I'm going to end this video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye. Ciao. See you in my next video.